When the United States was settled, there was 90 million acres of longleaf pines. Well, that was cut down to about 3 million acres.
You can only have a certain number of trees in the forest, and as these young trees are coming up, the older trees need to go. So we're going to take this one longleaf pine and take it all the way to a piece of furniture.
The world around us is we're constantly running from this event to that event, and when you go out in the woods, sometimes it's the only place that's okay, and you really feel a part of nature. You know, we're not being that sits outside of nature, we're part of it. Most of the time it's the only place that's okay, is when you're in the woods, and I think that's what really draws me, the solitude. You know, you walk into a forest, you know, a 200-year-old forest, and it feels like you're in a cathedral. You know, you look up and you see the leaves, and you come down and you see the trunks of the trees, and then the forest floor, and you have all this structure. It's no accident, it's perfect. It would be a travesty, you know. I mean, it would just, that we lose this, you know, it's gone. It won't exist anymore. I enjoy that I am, through taking this lesser tree down, that it's going to open it up for this better tree to grow bigger and to actually regenerate the forest.
Forestry is both an art and a science. It's a balance between our love and passion for the forest and the skills and experience to keep it alive. And in the end, it's about protecting this renewable resource and partnering for the future.